Hi guys, today we're going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns and quantity. Look at these four words: clothes, bike, cap and books. Which is the odd one out or different? Why? The odd one out is clothes because it's uncountable. We can't say one clothes, two clothes. But we can say one bike, one cap, two books. Which words can we use a with? Pause your video and think. We can say a bike and we can say a cap. But we can't say a clothes and we can't say a books. We can't say a clothes because clothes is uncountable. And we can't say a books because books is plural. Did you notice that we say an orange? Do you know why? We say an orange because the word begins with a vowel and it makes it easier to say. Orange is difficult to pronounce, but an orange is very easy. Look at these sentences. What do you think is the missing word? I have got bananas. I've got money. Pause your video and think. The missing word is some. I have got some bananas. I've got some money. We use some in the affirmative for countable nouns like bananas and uncountable nouns like money. Look at these sentences. What do you think the missing word is? I haven't got bananas. I haven't got money. Have you got money? Pause your video and think. We use some in the affirmative, but we use any in negative and questions. For example, I haven't got any bananas. I haven't got any money. Have you got any money? We use any with both countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, now let's talk about quantities. If I have a small quantity of something, or I want to ask about the quantity of something, I can use the word much with uncountable nouns in the negative or in questions. I haven't got much money. I have a small quantity. Have you got much money? How much money have you got? To say I have a small quantity of a countable noun, or to ask about the quantity of a countable noun, do you know which word we use? That's right, we use many. So, let's recap. We use much in the negative and for questions for uncountable nouns, and we use many in the negative and for questions for countable nouns. Look at these sentences. Here we have examples of affirmative, negative, and questions. We also have uncountable and countable nouns. Which word or words can we use in the affirmative, negative and question forms for countable and uncountable nouns. That's right, it was a lot of. We can use a lot of in the affirmative, the negative, and for questions, for countable and uncountable, which means we can use a lot of for everything. Can you remember when we use a, some and any, much and many, and a lot of? If you can't remember, watch the video again. If you can remember, it's time to complete the quiz.